Hello friends, we're happy to welcome you back to our channel. Today, we'll be sharing reviews from our clients who have used Getfloorplan services. If you're in the real estate industry and need high-quality floor plans, 3D tours, or visualizations, be sure to listen to what our clients have to say. We're launching a series of videos where we'll be responding to your reviews and questions. Reviews from Trustpilot.
Fast, beautiful, great customer service.
Nice. I love it too much.
Thank you so much for your feedback. Our team carefully reads all your messages. We've also got a bonus for you. Leave us a review on Trustpilot or G2, or share your opinion on social media by tagging our account. As a thank you, we'll give you a promo code for 20% off your next order. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest news and special offers. See you in the next videos.